For the inspection of the mouth and the throat, the lips. Observe the lips for color, moisture, swelling, lesions, or other signs of inflammation. Observe if the lip edges meet. Instruct the patient to open the mouth. Use a tongue blade to inspect the membranes that connect the upper and lower lips to the gums for color, inflammation, lesions, and hydration. Normal findings should be the lip edges should meet. Next, for the teeth. Instruct the patient to open the mouth. Count the upper and lower teeth. Observe the teeth for discoloration, loose or missing teeth, caries, malocclusions, and malformations. Normally, the teeth should be white with smooth edges in proper alignment and without caries. Next is the hard and soft palate. Observe the palate for continuity and shape. For infants, you will need to use a tongue depressor again to push the tongue down. Pediatric patients usually cry in response to this action, which allows visualization of the palate. For normal findings, the roof of the mouth is continuous and has a slight arc.